Life in Smithtown offers a blend of suburban charm, vibrant communities, and convenient access to Long Island's best amenities. But with busy roads, neighborhood activity, and even seasonal construction, many homeowners find that outside noise makes its way indoors more than they'd like. Fortunately, upgrading to noise-reducing windows and doors is a practical solution for creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Here's how these modern installations can make a difference for Smithtown families. Why noise reduction matters for homeowners. Noise pollution isn't just an annoyance, it can affect your daily life in meaningful ways. Constant exposure to traffic, barking dogs, or outdoor activity can disturb sleep and relaxation, reduce concentration for work or study, create stress over time. For homeowners who value privacy and calm, investing in noise-reducing solutions is one of the best ways to improve quality of life. How noise-reducing windows work. Traditional single-pane windows provide little protection against sound. Modern noise-reducing windows, however, are engineered to limit sound transmission. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of glass with insulating gas in between act as a barrier against sound waves. Laminated glass. A special interlayer between panes absorbs sound vibrations, dramatically lowering outside noise. Tight seals. Properly installed windows eliminate gaps where sound can enter. These features not only block noise but also provide added insulation for better energy efficiency. Noise-reducing doors. A strong complement. Doors are often overlooked when addressing noise, but they play just as big a role as windows. Solid core entry doors block far more sound than hollow core alternatives. Insulated fiberglass or steel doors reduce both noise and energy loss. Patio doors with laminated glass help block outdoor noise while letting in natural light. Upgrading your doors, especially in high-traffic areas of your Smithtown home, enhances the effectiveness of noise reduction. Additional benefits beyond quiet. While the focus may be on reducing noise, modern windows and doors bring other benefits too. Energy efficiency. The same insulation that blocks sound also helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Security. Laminated glass and solid core doors provide greater protection against intruders. UV protection. Many noise-reducing windows also feature coatings that block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture and flooring. Curb appeal. Stylish designs and finishes enhance the look of your Smithtown home. These added advantages make the investment in noise-reducing windows and doors even more worthwhile. Perfect for Smithtown neighborhoods. Smithtown's mix of quiet cul-de-sacs and busier thoroughfares means noise levels vary from one neighborhood to another. Whether you live near Main Street or in a quieter residential area, outside noise is often unavoidable. Noise-reducing windows and doors are ideal for homes near schools, parks, or busy roads. Families with young children who need uninterrupted sleep. Remote workers seeking a quiet home office. Anyone who values a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. By addressing both windows and doors, Smithtown homeowners can enjoy a noticeable improvement in indoor serenity. The importance of professional installation. Even the best noise-reducing products won't perform well without proper installation. Local professionals understand Smithtown's housing styles and can ensure airtight seals to eliminate gaps where noise enters. Recommend the best window and door materials for your specific neighborhood. Provide long-lasting results backed by warranties. Professional installation guarantees you'll experience the full benefits of your new windows and doors. Final thoughts. Smithtown homeowners don't have to settle for noisy interiors. By upgrading to noise-reducing windows and doors, you can transform your home into a quiet, comfortable retreat. These solutions not only block unwanted sound but also deliver energy savings, security, and lasting beauty. If outside noise has been disrupting your family's comfort, now is the time to explore your options. With professional installation and modern designs, your Smithtown home can be both peaceful and stylish, perfectly suited to the lifestyle you deserve.